To customize lock screen clock in Realme GT8 Pro, first of all, we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to scroll down to the home screen, lock screen and style, and after that we'll be able to click on our theme that is current. It should be one on the left. So click on it and then navigate into the clock. Just click on that clock and then you can customize it by giving it additional info like steps, weather, or none of that. You can also change the display clock with those options, and it will also change the size for the notification bar for your lock screen. You can change the font for the clock, you can adjust the size of the font, and you can also change the colors for that as well. Finally, when you're ready, click on apply and your new clock will be saved. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.